Welcome to the video series, Ask the Agent. I get this question quite a bit from clients asking, why do I have to insure my house for $250,000 when the appraisal or market value is only $200,000? Let me give you the difference between what market value and your reconstruction cost value is. Market value is what you are able to sell your home in normal current market conditions. This can vary based on what city you live in, maybe what subdivision you're in. Insurance main concern is reconstruction cost value. What is it going to cost in today's dollars, labor, and material to rebuild that home? Again, we go through an extensive reconstruction process, replacement cost process, and where we put data in as far as square footage of the home, construction, number of bathrooms, flooring, roofing, just tons of information to come up with what the reconstruction cost is. So again, you're going to see discrepancies between market value, appraised value, and reconstruction cost value. I hope this helped clear some of the concerns up and the discrepancies between the two. I hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.